In this video, I'm going to talk about how you could search for open houses using Zillow. So if you're looking for a property to purchase, however you want to actually go inside and visit it through via an open house, I'm going to show you a quick way here on Zillow on how we can find these properties easily and when the open house is. So here in this example is a city in Texas and Waco, Texas, and this is basically every active listing for sale in the entire MSA. Yeah, a lot of properties, right? But if you want to narrow down now properties with an open house coming up, quick and easy way to do that is to make sure you have, for sale properties. And then from there, if you want to get more specific on criteria, I have other videos to kind of search for specific areas. So you could zoom into a certain zip code by typing in the zip code, or you could, zoom in this way and draw a specific area that you want to look at. But for this purposes, I'll just zoom out of the kind of the whole area. And you could also narrow it down too, right, to how many bedrooms, bathrooms, or home type that you want. But specifically for the open house, you want to go under more and scroll down to tours, must have open house, and hit apply. You can see it drastically reduces the amount of properties that show up there. However, if you go to this list now that's filtered down to 12 results, you could click on it. And here in this example for this property, they have an upcoming open house here on the Saturday, May 10th during this time period, and you could add to your calendar. Another random property here, just selecting, same thing, it's listed for sale, and using that filter, we could scroll down to open house. And again, this is another Saturday open house. Hope this video was helpful. We got plenty more how-to videos on Zillow and other real estate topics on our channel, so feel free to check them out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and happy to answer those questions for you. Have a great day.